that is from the Excel, we put it into the SPSS. So firstly, we need to set the value for the gender, which is 1 for male, 2 for female. And then click OK. And for the program, we put 1 for diploma. Sorry. Degree. And then click OK. Or are you doing the activity? 1 for yes, 2 for no. And then for the questionnaire, we put 0 for not at all. One is for 2 for moderate. Moderately 3, quite a lot 4, extreme, extremely, and then copy all this, paste it on the other questionnaire. Now I need to reverse for the embarrassed and the shame. So click on the value, replace it. And lastly is quite a lot. Okay, copy, and then place it for the shame. The shame. Wait, sorry, can't find it. Shame. No, so there is no data that is missing. And then we go to the data view. You see that we already set it into this. Now we need to click transform, compute the variable of the question. So firstly is and and click plus and put the other tens. She's on edge. Sorry, on edge plus uh uneasy. Restless. Nervous. Anxious. And then click OK. And then just repeat the same process for the other question. Now we click reset. We do it for the depression. So firstly is unhappy. sad, hopeless, discouraged, and miserable, helpless, and lastly is worthless. Then click OK, execute. Just repeat the same process for the other part. Next is anger. 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 Angry. Grouchy. Annoyed. Annoyed. And then restless. And then bitter. And then furious. And then click OK. Now for fat. Click fat. So firstly is worn out. Fatigue. Exhausted. Weary. And lastly, swoosh. Click OK. And now is for the con. Confuse. First confuse. Plus unable to concentrate, bewildered. Forgetful. Uncertain about things. And then click OK. Now for the vigorous. So that is lively, active, energetic, lively, uh, full of head plus vigorous. And click OK. Now repeat for the young. First is proud, ashamed, competent. Mm, Confident, satisfied, satisfied plus uh, embarrassed. And click OK. We need to calculate the total mode disturbance. So go to transform, compute variable, and just type MD, and put in the tens plus pressure angle, angle plus fat plus con, then minus vigorous, and then click OK. Okay, so this is the total mode disturbance. So to remove the decimals, go back to the variable view and put this to 0. Okay, so there you go. Now the decimal is gone.
Now I will show you how to check the normality and the outlier. First we go to the analyze, and then we go to the descriptive statistic, then we go to the explore. Because of the question is to compare the mood of the student and the type of program, we put the dependent list is the mood of student, which is the tension, angry, fat, depth, era, vigorous, cons, and the TMD. And at the factor list, we put the program. Then we go to the statistic, we click the outlier, and at the plot, we click the histogram, and the normality plot with the test only. Then we continue, then we click OK. Okay, this is the table of the missing data. So from this table, we can see there is no missing data. So to check the normality of the graph, either this is normal or not, we click at the test of the normality. So this table, we look only at the Shapiro weight. So the distribution data, this is normal because it is more than 0.05. So there's only one in error that not more than 0.05. So to look either this is a normal or not, we will look at the histogram. So this is error and this degree part. We go to the error, then at the histogram we click the degree, we double click, then we put this show distribution curve line. So from the histogram, the data is the normal. So to check the outlier, we will look at the test and then box plot. There is outlier, one outlier, angry. There is also outlier at the fatigue, There's also outlier at the diploma. For the depression, there's no outlier. At era, there is two outlier at the degree. At the vigorous, there's no outlier. At the cons, there's no outlier.
As you can see in your screen, which is the data. In order to see the descriptive statistic for demographic data, first you need to click analyze, and then click descriptive statistic and click descriptive. Okay, so you need to put all of the variables of the demographic data. So you put age, you put gender, you put program, and also you put the last variable, which is are you doing physical activity, and then you just click OK. So this is the descriptive statistic for demographic data. Okay, now we will go to the descriptive statistic for total mood disturbance. Okay, so click analyze, and then there's the statistic and descriptive. So we click reset and put the variable of TMD. Okay, so put TMD there and click OK. So based on the uh, screen, okay, we can see that descriptive statistic for total mood disturbance. Okay, so this is how we want to do the descriptive statistic.
Okay, next. To answer the RO, which to compare the moods of student between programs during post-COVID, I will use the independent t-test. So firstly, click analyze and then choose compare means and then choose independent sample t-test. Okay, so for the test variable, choose TMD, which is insert the TMD, and for the grouping variable we need to choose the programs. So basically we need to define the groups. So for the group 1 is 1, which is for diploma, and for the group 2 is 2 for degree group. Then continue and then just click OK. Okay, so here is the result for independent sample t-test. So based on the total mood disturbance living test result, the equal variance assumed is 0.102, which is definitely more than 0.05. So it is significant and also fails to reject H now. So in conclusions, there is no difference of mood of student between diploma and also degree during post-COVID. So that's all from our group. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.